I will be showing you how you can back up chats in WhatsApp, so let's begin the video. When we open WhatsApp, this is the screen we land on. We need to click the three-dotted More option. From the drop-down menu, we need to click Settings tab. And again in Settings screen, we need to click Chats tab. Next, in Chats screen, we need to click Chat Backup tab. All backup will be saved in Google account storage. We can choose to include videos in the backup, but videos increases the storage space. And again, we can choose to back up WhatsApp chats with phone data connection or only the Wi-Fi connection. Data connection can be costly, so it's safe to disable it. Next, we need to click Backup. You can see the WhatsApp backup process is happening. And done backing up chats in WhatsApp. To view the backup, we need to head to Google Drive app. Open Google Drive app in the phone. Click the hamburger icon in the top, which will open this menu. We need to click Backups tab. And here it is, the backup WhatsApp chats. When we reinstall the app in the same phone or different phone, these backup will be restored. I am hoping this content was of help to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get new updates when I add more tutorial content like this.